Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and I'm here today to talk about Moda Block Heads 3, Block 22. And this week's block is the Hen and Chicks block by Lori Simpson of Minnick & Simpson. So today I'm talking about Moda Block Heads 3, Block 22 by Lori Simpson. And this is a really fun block. It's the Hen and Chicks block. And she has a great way of putting it together. At first I thought I was going to change it up and do strip piecing, but this was actually so simple. I just followed the pattern directions. I did use a directional fabric, and so it did make it easier for me to just make it just like it was. You cut a lot of little squares, but that makes it possible, if you are using a directional fabric, to make sure that they're all turned the right way. I loved having these longer rectangles in there. The more you can use bigger pieces, the more accurate your block is. It's just a really simple block. I made, just like the block pattern suggests, I made this center section first, and then I added these two side units, and then I added the two top and bottom units. But you will need to go to Lori's blog today to get the free PDF pattern for this block, and I will link to that in the description below, and I will also link to my blog post in this description below. And again, the most important tip for this week's block is just accurate cutting and accurate sewing. I hope you enjoyed these little tips and tricks for this week's block. It's a great block. I know you'll have a lot of fun making it. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, and thanks so much for stopping by.